Hi, and welcome to another training video from XMPRO. Today we will be looking at how to use the tags component. As a prerequisite, you should have already gone through the video on how to create data sources. If you haven't done that, I recommend going through that video first. Tags can be found in the basics section of the blocks. The tags component allows you to tag specific items from a list. In order to get items into that list, you need to select a data source. I've created one previously. And then you need to select the display expression and the value expression. These can be the same column. If we save it now as is and run it, we can see that when we click here, it's going to load the data source. And then you'll be able to select out of the items. If you don't want one of the items, you can press the X and it will remove it for you. Or you can click on it and select the items you want. The tags component has many options to play with. In appearance, we've got visible, which is self-explanatory, styling mode, which you can choose from outlined, underlined, and filled. Underlined will have a line underneath the box. Filled will fill the box. And outlined is the default with an outline around the box. Placeholder, if you put something else here, when you don't have a value, it will set this as the placeholder. We have tooltip, which when you hover over the component, it will pop up a tooltip. Multi-line, which means that when your tags get to the end of the line, they'll start to enter more on the second line, etc. The Show Clear Button option creates a button on the tag box with an X in it that allows you to clear all selections. Show Dropdown Button shows a drop-down button in the right side of the box, as you can see there. And Show Selection Controls enables checkboxes on the left side of the drop-down. So we'll run this. Oh, we need to save first. So save and then run. If we remove all the items, it says, please select a website. And then the items have checkboxes on the left. We have the drop-down button on the right and the clear button. For behavior, we have apply value mode use buttons or instantly. So if you say use buttons, then the drop-down will have buttons at the bottom saying OK and cancel. And if you say instantly, then whatever selection you choose, that will add it to the tag box. We have search enabled, which if you check this, it will allow you to search in the tag box. We have read only and disabled, self-explanatory. And then we have value, which you can have a static value or a dynamic value, where you can select a column from a data source on a container. If we save this and then run, now if we select an item in here, it's instantly reflected in the tag box. This has been how to use the tags component.